I have a rich, handsome, successful, and powerful boyfriend who is generous and loves to give me large amounts of cash weekly. My rich, handsome, successful, powerful boyfriend has fallen madly in love with me. My rich, handsome, successful, powerful boyfriend would love to marry me. My rich, handsome, successful, powerful boyfriend loves to pay all my bills. My rich, handsome, successful, powerful boyfriend loves to take me out on unlimited shopping sprees. My rich, handsome, powerful, successful boyfriend always surprises me with luxurious vacations. My rich, handsome, powerful boyfriend loves to spoil me with expensive gifts like cars, homes, jewelry, anything that my heart desires. My rich, handsome, powerful, successful boyfriend has faith in our relationship. Our relationship is based on love, trust, loyalty, honesty, and commitment. My rich, handsome, powerful, and successful boyfriend is committed to me, committed to us, committed to our relationship. My rich, powerful, successful boyfriend and I have a strong relationship built on a solid foundation. The love and the trust between us are divine. I deserve to have a happy, healthy, and successful relationship with my rich, handsome, powerful, and successful boyfriend. There is a deep and profound love between my rich, handsome, powerful, and successful boyfriend and I. Having a happy relationship is a normal part of our rich life. My rich, powerful, handsome, and successful boyfriend always expresses his love and respect to me. Having a happy relationship is one of our top priorities. My rich, powerful, handsome, and successful partner and I are just naturally tuned into each other. I am overflowing with gratitude for my rich, handsome, successful, and powerful boyfriend. My rich, powerful, handsome, and successful boyfriend nourishes the love between he and I. Our relationship is naturally happy and healthy. My rich, handsome, powerful, successful boyfriend and I are so happy and wealthy together. I express my gratitude to the universe for introducing me to my rich, successful, handsome, and powerful boyfriend. I am grateful that my rich, handsome, successful, and powerful boyfriend showers me with expensive gifts. I am grateful for my rich, handsome, successful, powerful boyfriend that he is able to provide me with a life that I had always dreamt of. I am grateful for my relationship with my rich, handsome, powerful, and successful boyfriend. I am grateful that the universe opens doors for me. I am grateful for the love in my life. I am grateful and I live in gratitude.